Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we move on the third stage of our presentation. In this stage, we will explain the core process of our system, starting from how we prepare the data until we get the final result. Specifically, we will cover the data splitting process, where we divide the data set into training and testing data, the nice bias algorithm used for classification, the evaluation results to measure the model's performance, the interpretation of the result, and finally the visualization of the content distribution. So let's begin with the data splitting process. Next. The code is used to split the data set into training data and testing data using the train test split function from the scikit-learn library. The variable x contains the feature data or processor text, while y contains the labels or categories of the data. The parameters test equals 0.2 means that 20% of the data used as training data and the remaining 80% uh, is used as training data. In addition, random text equals 42 is used to ensure the data splitting process remains consistent every time the program is executed, making the experiment results reproducible. Next.
And then naive Bayes algorithm. The code above is used to create and train a naive Bayes classification model using the multinomial NB algorithm from the scikit-learn library. The line model multinomial NB initials the naive Bayes models, which is commonly used for text classification tasks such as sentiment analysis or compliant classification. Then model with X-train, Y-train is used to train the model using the training data, where X-train contains the TF-IDF future data and Y-train contains the corresponding labels. After the training process is complete, the model can learn patterns from the data and be used to predict a new text category. Next. Evaluation. The code is used to evaluate the naive Bayes model. Model predicts X test is used to predict the testing data, while accuracy score calculates the model accuracy and the classification report display the precision, recall F1 score, and support values. The results show that the model achieved accuracy of 7, 17.6%, which means the model can classify the data fairly well. The harga category has the best perform, while the kebersihan category still has a low recall value, meaning some data in this category were not identified correctly.
So, next is the interpretation. The code is used to test the naive Bayes model with new text data. The variable text baru contains several new sentences to be classified. Then clean text is used to process the text and vectorizer transform. Convert the clean text into TF-IDF numerical feature. After that, model predict X baru predict the category of each sentence. Finally, the results are displayed using a loop. The prediction results show that the model successfully classified the new text into the appropriate category. There have access jalan ke Pantai Rusak. is aksesibilitas. And then pantai kotor banyak sampah. It means kebersihan. Harga teks mahal, it's mean harga. Akses jalan utama sekarang sudah rapi, it's mean aksesibilitas. Material is visualization. This dashboard show the distribution of tourist complaint at Rio by the beach. From a total of 1,010 complaint, the ledger issue is priced with 470 complaint or about 41.6%. This is followed by accessibility with 29.8% and clean lines with 28.6%. From all the charts, line, P and bar, we can clearly see that price is the most dominant problem. There is a significant gap between price and the other two categories. This means that tourists are more sensitive to pricing compared to accessibility and clean lines. So in conclusion, the main issue that need to be priorities is pricing, while accessibility and clean lines should still be improved as supporting factor. So that's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.